Alrighty, it's Big C. Oh, get that back up there. It is 5:04, Saturday, March 25th, or 24, Saturday, March 24th, 5:04. We're going to do the Topps Chrome baseball that ended last night. A lot of these teams didn't sell out, so I don't know. I just kind of trying to mix things up a little bit until the new stuff comes out. So, and it could have been Friday because I probably won't be doing much listening on Fridays unless they're mini boxes. And also look for Tribute. I want to kind of do that the same way as I do the mini boxes. So we'll have mini packs, I guess you would say, of the Topps Tribute that will come out. I'm going to start those tomorrow, so we'll do them 1 through 6 also. But they're a little bit cheaper that way. You know, I'll start the auctions out like $1.49 on those. So, and there's a lot of neat stuff in that. I've seen a lot of boxes open and seen a lot of neat cards pulled out of it. And it could be, and any team's liable to get a hit out of that. So you just never know what to expect with the that stuff. But let's see here. Here is the 2011 Topps Chrome. And actually, this stuff didn't do really well. I opened a bunch of it. I kind of like it. I thought it was pretty neat. So we got Matt Latos, Batista Blast. That would be 562. Heritage. So that would be to the Blue Jays, which would be Walnut. Cole Hamels and Brett Anderson. I pulled some printing plates out of this stuff. I've yet to pull a Felix Hernandez and actually a Michael Pineda Mariners autograph. So that's a good pull for, actually that would be Walnut. So a good pull for Walnut. Jose Reyes, but I pulled a printing plate. Pulled some halfway decent stuff out of here. I think it was a Brandon Beachy printing plate. Looks like we got a little color. Is it autograph? No. Mike Leake for the Reds that did not sell out of 99. And Matt Young. So, and I also pulled a lot of 2 or 3 of those USA complete. Well, it's actually a autograph set, but it's not the complete set. Alex Cobb, that looks like a refractor, but I guess it's not. For the Rays, Mark Reynolds and Steven Strasburg. And then we got Ivan DeJesus Jr. for the Dodgers, which is B. Mark and Peggy. Got that. So there's our autographs. But I know that USA card, that redemption is was a bonus. And you can always get a that Felix Hernandez is also 1962 for the Mariners. X-Fractor. I have never pulled an X-Fractor 101 yet, so we'll see. And there's also a lot of color in these. So Clayton Richards and Zach Britton. Danny Espinozo, Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies out of 1962. Alex Cobb. Billy Butler, Chapman. Oh, that's at vintage for the Reds. Eric Alsmer, rookie. And Hank Conger. Base, David Wright, Clayton Richards. Let's see, Micah Leake, Russell Martin, Miguel Cabrera, and Alex Acondo. Mickey Mantle, Evan Longoria, Drew Storen, and Roy Oswalt. So we have Vernon Wells Angels refractor out of 225, and actually the Angels did not sell. Troy Ludwig. Danny Bendlitzka, John Lester, Dominic Brown, 562 for the Phillies. That would be DJ Kenny, Jimmy Rollins, Chipper Jones, Joey Votto, Mike Minor, and Rodriguez. Let's see, Neftali Feliz or something. James Shield, Brett Myers, and Pineda. And looks like, oh, that's a checklist, my bad. Drew Storen, Dominic Brown, Pedro Bito, and a checklist. Adrian Gonzalez, Rafael Soriano, Ian Desmond, Albert Pujols, checklist. It's like 6 packs counting this one. Kevin Youkilis, Hunter Pence, Jose Tabata, 1962, DeJesus Jr., so David Price, Derek Jeter, 1962, Lance Berkman, Matt Cain, let's see, Jordan Zimmerman, Mike Stanton, Aaron Crow, and Adam Lynn. Lance to replay. Carlos Gonzalez, CC Sabathia, David Wright, and Freddie Freeman. Gio Gonzalez, Colby Rasmussen, Freddie Freeman Vintage, and Jacob Ellsbury. And last pack, Joe Mauer, Carlos Ruzos, Clay Buchholz, and that guy, Toshishi Nishigokio, or I don't know. Anyway, that guy. So, all right, that should do it. So, nice Pineda rookie, Michael Pineda. So, all right, again, keep checking on my auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks, guys.